Hello everyone, I am Vinicius Ferrero, and today I bring you another video with updates about the Nuls ecosystem.
A lot happened this month, including the whitelist for the launch of SwissPad, which is essentially a launchpad, a platform for launching other projects. However, there was an exclusive video about this on this channel. I'll leave the link below in the description. Let's start by talking about some changes regarding the launch of new projects on Nuls SCO, or Nuls POCM as we know it.
They introduced a standardization.
Basically, all new Nuls SCO pools will be activated starting at 1 o'clock Universal Time Coordinated. In addition, all these new pools will be announced at least 2 days in advance on Nuls official Twitter, precisely to give people enough time to prepare for them.
This standardization will help people be more prepared to participate.
For example, during the launch of the Lion pool, there was an APR of almost 109%. That means those who were prepared in those early days and hours were able to take advantage of a good opportunity. It's worth remembering that Nuls SCO, or Nuls POCM, is a tool that allows you to stake Nuls and receive tokens from another project in return. Still talking about Nuls SCO, this month we had several new token pools and partner projects. For example, there was pool for the Lion token, pool for the TRL token belonging to the Tehran Larasi project, also pool for the project called Pagoda Llama, Teddy Bear Coins, and Gaudience. In total, there were 5 new pools in SCO just this month. Another interesting point is that the Ton GPU project became the main project within Nuls POCM, considering the amount of coins staked. As you can see here, it is in the first place. Guys, Nuls POCM or Nuls SCO is a very simple tool to use, and also an accessible one. After all, most of its pools require only a minimum of 100 Nuls for you to participate, and it's a native Nuls tool, even though you earn tokens from other projects. Besides some partnerships with projects within Nuls SCO, Nuls also formed a new partnership with a project called ConfDApp, which brought a digital identity system to the Nuls blockchain, which is a second-layer Nuls blockchain with the EVM standard. Additionally, they also announced that it's now possible to use Nuls and Nuls network tokens on the Ledger hardware wallet.
They even left a link on Medium explaining the step-by-step process of how you can configure yours.
I must confess that I've been eagerly awaiting this update for a long time, but recently there have been some changes.
So I'll probably bring an exclusive video on the channel explaining it. Guys, following Nuls, Nerve Network and Nabox on Twitter can open doors to many opportunities.
After all, the 3 communities frequently hold giveaways. For example, due to the partnership between Nuls and Ton GPU and Nuls SCO, they held an AMA with a $100 prize. This also happens frequently with other projects. In addition to this, there was also a giveaway for a spot on the whitelist for the SwissPad token, which is a launchpad, a platform for launching new projects that is already regulated in Switzerland.
There was also a giveaway of 500 Nuls for 5 different winners, and another giveaway with an additional 1,000 Nuls for 10 winners.
All these giveaways have already happened, but it's well worth following the social networks so you don't miss the next ones. A lot happened within Nuls, but there were also some updates with Nabox Wallet and Nerve Network. There were some prizes as well, such as the Web3 Summer Airdrop Carnival from Nabox Wallet.
They introduced various dynamics and rewarded many people.
Whenever possible, I participate and have already won several times.
But now, let's talk about the integration of new networks. After all, Nabox Wallet is a complete multi-chain wallet. Recently, it integrated the Alien X Chain blockchain and the Pastel blockchain. In addition, there was also the integration of the Free Cash blockchain.
In this area, Nabox Wallet is very comprehensive.
Every month, there are various integrations with different blockchains. Nerve Network also brought a very relevant update.
After all, Nerve Bridge, which was a tool that allowed you to swap tokens between blockchain networks, has migrated and become Swapbox.
Along with this, Swapbox itself has already launched its version 2.
This way, instead of being 2 separate products, they merged into one and brought various updates.
Guys, the interface of Swapbox v2 is simply amazing and has changed a lot compared to the first version that existed before. All the information is now much clearer and more intuitive,
such as the options for providing liquidity within it, and even the swap and bridge tools.
The Swapbox tool is very interesting,
because when you use the swap tool within it, you don't simply exchange one token for another.
For example, you can swap a certain token like Nuls on its own blockchain for USDT on the BSC blockchain, but these dynamics need liquidity, and it's always good to check to see if the parity is correct. But as this tool evolves, as it has been, liquidity tends to increase and consequently the number of available coins as well. Guys, these were the updates I separated for you. If I were to highlight some of them, I would mainly highlight 2. First, the launch of SwissPad. If I were you, I would join the whitelist, precisely because there will also be an airdrop. I'm already participating myself. There is even an exclusive video on this channel with the link in the description. The second update I would highlight is Swapbox v2.
Personally, I really liked it because it greatly improved the user experience, and consequently will end up becoming an increasingly relevant tool with more liquidity.
Well guys, that's what I wanted to talk to you about in this video.
I hope you enjoyed these quick monthly updates that I bring here.
So, if you liked it, don't forget to leave your like down below,
and also subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell so you don't miss the next videos. I'm wrapping it up here, thank you very much for your audience, but I'll see you in the next video.
So, see you soon, bye bye.